go down the beach here in Bali for your afternoon run after work, and you sign up for a fun run in the morning. So, I'll see you in the morning. Nah, ready?
And we are here. It is now the morning on Fun Run. So, let's get running. Looks interesting. Go on a closed course. Are we sure? Scooters everywhere. Approaching halfway, so 2.5k. Where's the party? What is this? I guess they don't do closed courses here. And we're on the final straight-ish. Last K. Bring it home. I don't think they measure the course out. It'll be 5k. I got 4.4. But it's a fun run. It's not meant to be official. That's why so many cars and buses were trying to run us over. Ooh, sweaty. So 3k walk back to the hotel now. And I guess I'll catch you tomorrow. Stats down below. End of day. 268 of marathon training. So, that's gross.